Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain NewGem company software hiring. Everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till then. What all the eligible criteria I am going to explain, and just subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Then only you may get a more update about my channel, internship, job opportunities, and explaining interview mails, everything about it. So just to go to the video. This is what we are hiring for software engineering from NewGem. Eligible criteria 10th, 12th, CBSE or 8 GPA above they are mentioning. Other boards colleges should be 80% and above. Graduation 60% and above. Education type BE, BTech, CS, IT. Job location Mumbai, Delhi. Salary 4.2 LPA. January 23 onwards CTC will be reversed to 4.80. From the coming 23 you may get a 4.80 after training. The job description only: develop monetary complex software, create exclusive design and new faculty. And software engineering, small project or sub project, responsibility will be exclusive full software development lifecycle SD, and design and well designed, testable, efficient, troubleshooting, debugging, and completely with the project plan and industry stand, participation in integrated testing, and deploy program and evaluative for feedback, document and maintenance software faculty. The skills will be team working skill, numerical and analytical, excellent debugging and problem solving skill, English language fluency, a through approach. You can apply with the First Naukri itself. Just to create an account in First Naukri. Otherwise you don't know how to create a account in First Naukri, comment me, I will upload one video, it will be helpful for you. And about NewGem, they are providing in a workplace work culture. You can watch their video, and this is all about their platforms, and we invest in our peoples who are loyal to their and learning and development technologies. They are providing with the learning software skill, engagement and work, and the work culture with the atmosphere with feeling like a good move in their life, and gallery photos and everything I mentioned about NewGem Software Technology Limited info. Everything they mention you can watch here actually. And this all the thing work culture where they are working, achievement, gold medalists and DJ parties and work culture, everything they are mentioning about. The culture for IT will be looking smart because due to this toppest MNCs all over India, their sports club and rally, everything they are mentioning here. Partners with so many clients they are providing all over the world. It is working in a capital of our city or going to work Delhi, so NPR. So this all the eligible criteria from CSIT. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. So thanks for watching this channel.